I entered this trade when we pulled down and retested this overnight high. We pulled back. We didn't quite get there, but entered here at 26.75. I'm looking for it to finish the move to this POC. I'd probably go just short of this market profile POC. Actually, we'll go right in here about 43.41. And we'll see how it moves on its way up here. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Your 40 ticks would be 36.75. They sold this pretty much right at half back to try and go deeper, and I don't think that that's what it wants to do. I think it's going to want to get to this POC at least. Then you have Friday's settlement is here. And obviously the highs from Friday way up here. You can see we're getting through that half back area. So if I can get up over my 27 mark, like if I get up into here, I'll move my stop up to around this area. And then same thing, if we get up over into this area, I'll move my stop up to my 40 ticks. Like if we break this B high, there's a chance that we're just going to kind of rotate. This looks pretty balanced, but I really think it wants to go for this POC up here. We have a final target at 41. There's an area right here that I need to watch out for. There's some selling pressure in there. Make sure we get through that part. I want to see it gaining momentum, gaining enthusiasm about making this trip back up here. Otherwise, I'll cut it in here. If we spend too much time grinding around, or anywhere here, if we spend too much time grinding around, I'll cut this and just move on to the next trade. So far, it looks pretty good. I should have entered down here, but I wanted to make sure that we weren't going to get acceptance below this and start to travel down maybe to this VOC, which is the overnight. So I waited until it it pulled back to half back. They sold it off, and I just waited for it to come back here just a little. I didn't want to miss it. You can see it's kind of starting to stall out. Need to see it snap back to where it was up here. I don't want to hold this down into here again because we might, like I said, we might look for that POC. I think you could cut this right around 28 if it's not gonna recover and start heading up. I think we need to see some progress, at least get up into this area. There's our 27 ticks. This is also that area that I was worried about with some selling pressure in here. This starts falling back on me. I'll cut this. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. There, we're getting into that area. 3350 is my 27 ticks. I'd like to see it push right through here. I'm not going to give it much room because I think there's a good chance that we could retrace this entire thing and just kind of go start rotating. Yep. So we got about 25 ticks on that.